Hey guys, it's Sherelle. Today I'm doing a redecorating my room. This was actually very requested because I have moved around my room so many times, like I can't even tell you how many times I've moved it around, and I've never found a perfect place for like all of my furniture and all of my stuff to go because my room is very like laid out super weird. My closet is like where my bed is at, you know what I mean? I finally figured out something that accommodates all of my stuff. These are like satisfying to watch because when you watch people clean, it makes you like motivated to clean your own room. So I hope this motivates you guys. I hope you guys enjoy, so let's get started. So my room is constantly cluttered due to the lack of space with how I have my room set up. I have this little vanity right by my bed and then my makeup everywhere, so I'm gonna fix this today. Step one is removing the old Christmas lights I have around my room because half of them don't even work anymore and they're just making my room look smaller because they're like framing my entire wall space. So I went ahead and took those down. Next, I also took down some old pictures I didn't want on my walls anymore. A lot of these are from middle school and ones that I did in art class. So I'm going to take these down and replace them with new ones. They were cute at a time, but not really anymore. As well as this peacock picture I drew in 6th grade, I'm going to replace them with artwork I just did last year. I love how these look because of the frames I put them in. Super bold and nice. I also went through this super embarrassing Polaroid album, but found a couple good Polaroids to put on the empty space on my walls. Next was changing my bedspread I got from freshman year. Although I'm in love with this pattern, and I think a lot of you guys like it too because I always get compliments on it, I am so sick and tired of seeing it on my bed every single day. So I bought this new bedspread from Target. It's plain white, but it like really brightens up your room, makes it look put together. I could always switch out the bedspreads, but for now, this is what I really like. So now that whole section is complete, and I'm going to move on to my Alex 9 drawers and decorating them. First, I took my Clorox wipes, and I have 2 of these Alex 9 drawers, so plenty to decorate. I normally store my makeup and clothes in both of them. So I found a little plank of wood from the craft store, a plant, and then this little mug that I can keep my cords in. Put those on there as well as a phone charger so I could charge my phone and a candle. I think this looks super cute, so I did the same thing to the other one. I found a white box that I could put all of my stuff in, so I just set that right on there, as well as put an artwork over the top of this as well. I have some Beats headphones, so I set those there, as well as some cassette tapes, and my Polaroid. I love the colors of all of this because it all goes together, and it looks super pretty. Next is my desk and my vanity area. So I first went to IKEA and got this little shelf thing. It has 2 of the Alex drawers on it as well. This is where I'm going to keep my makeup and then other skincare products in the other drawer. So first I took another one of these IKEA boxes, put any foundations or powders I haven't tried yet in there, and set that off to the side. I highly recommend getting those because you're able to store as much as you want in it. Next, I'm just cleaning off all of this stuff that I have because it was really messy. Now I'm wiping off my desk and it is complete. So it looks 10 times better when it's cleaned up, and yeah, I'm obsessed with how it looks. Next is organizing my clothing rack and my shoes. So I didn't really show how I organized my clothes because I just replaced my old sweatshirts with some new summery bright clothes. And then I organized the shoes that I have underneath. This makes it look so much better as well. And now my room is complete. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching that, and I hope it helped you clean your room as well. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if this is going to help you motivate yourself to clean your room. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you so much. Bye! Mwah.